Hola amigos! JCAB Tutoring welcomes you to our guide on the most common Spanish phrases for beginners. Learning a new language can be a super cool adventure, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Today, we'll look at them by category so they're easier to learn and remember. Get ready to wow your friends, family, and even yourself with your new Spanish skills. Let's start with the simplest and most important Spanish greeting, hola. This word is your key to starting any conversation. Whether you're talking to a good friend or someone you don't know, hola is always a nice and friendly way to start. Remember, saying it right is important. Try saying hola with me a few times. Hola! Hola! When the sun comes up and a new day starts, greet everyone with a happy Buenos Dias. This phrase means good morning, and it's the perfect way to start a new day. From the busy streets of San Juan to a quiet cafe in Buenos Aires, Buenos Dias is your ticket to a warm and friendly chat.
Imagine you're having a yummy Spanish breakfast, greeting the locals with a confident Buenos Dias.
As the day goes on and the sun starts to go down, smoothly switch to Buenas Tardes, which means good afternoon or good evening. This greeting works from midday to evening, helping you talk to people easily.
Imagine you're walking through a colorful Spanish market, chatting with sellers and other shoppers, using your new phrase, Buenas Tardes.
Chapter 4. As the stars come out and the day ends, say goodbye with a warm Buenas Noches.
Buenas noches.
This phrase means good night, and it's a calming way to say goodbye, whether you're leaving friends or going to bed. Imagine you're enjoying a tasty Spanish dinner, with gentle guitar music playing, as you say Buenas Noches to the locals, feeling like you belong. Chapter 5. Now that you know how to greet people, let's learn how to really talk to them with Cómo estás.
¿Cómo estás?
This important phrase means, how are you? And it shows you care about how other people are doing. Remember, making friends is all about showing you care. Chapter 6. When someone asks how you are, answer politely with Estoy bien, gracias, which means I'm fine, thank you.
Estoy bien, gracias.
And to keep the conversation going, don't forget to ask about them with y tú, meaning and you.
Y tú?
This simple back and forth is a great way to start making deeper connections. Imagine you're having a fun chat with a Spanish speaker, easily talking back and forth. Meeting new people is always fun, and in Spanish, you can show how happy you are with mucho gusto, meaning nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto.
This phrase is warm and friendly, making a good first impression. Imagine you're at a lively party, meeting new people, and confidently using mucho gusto to start talking. When someone says mucho gusto to you, answer with a nice igualmente, meaning likewise.
Igualmente.
This simple word shows you're both happy to meet each other, building a friendly feeling. Imagine yourself easily chatting at a party, exchanging greetings and making new friends. Telling people your name is super important. Confidently say your name by saying me llamo, your name, meaning my name is your name.
Me llamo, your name.
Take the chance to connect with others and let your personality shine.
¿Cómo te llamas? Asking someone's name.
To find out someone's name, ask ¿Cómo te llamas?, meaning what's your name. This easy question helps you start a conversation and shows you want to get to know them.
Sí, saying yes in Spanish.
Sí is a strong word that means you agree, you're sure, and you're excited. Whether you're saying yes to something, confirming information, or just showing you're happy, sí is a useful word.
No, saying no in Spanish.
No is just as important because it lets you set boundaries and say you don't agree. Use it politely but firmly when you need to. Por favor, meaning please, is your secret to being polite and courteous.
Whether you're asking for a favor, ordering food, or just asking for directions, por favor is a must-know phrase that will make people happy to see you.
Gracias, meaning thank you, is a powerful word that shows you're thankful.
Use it often to show you appreciate nice things big and small.
When someone thanks you, answer with a friendly de nada, meaning you're welcome.
This simple phrase shows you're happy to help and makes everyone feel respected.
Everyone makes mistakes, and in Spanish, perdón is what you say to apologize and ask for forgiveness.
Whether you bump into someone, forget a name, or make a cultural mistake, perdón is a sincere way to say you're sorry and move on.
Being curious is important for learning a language.
When you hear a new word, don't be shy to ask, ¿Cómo se dice? And then the word in English.
This means how do you say? Sometimes, even when we try our best, talking to each other can be hard.
If you don't understand something, don't worry.
Just say no entiendo, meaning I don't understand.
Most people are happy to explain it again.
Puedes repetir, por favor?
If you need someone to say something again, politely ask, Puedes repetir, por favor? Meaning, can you repeat that, please? Hearing things clearly is important for good communication.
Habla más despacio, por favor.
If someone is talking too fast, don't be afraid to ask them to slow down by saying, Habla más despacio, por favor, meaning please speak more slowly. This will help you understand and avoid confusion.
Donde está el baño?
Sometimes you need to go to the bathroom. When you do, confidently ask, Donde está el baño? Meaning, where is the bathroom? Knowing this will keep you from getting stressed.
¿Cuánto cuesta esto?
Shopping is always fun, and in Spanish-speaking countries, you can ask about prices by saying, ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? Meaning, how much does this cost? This will help you stay on budget.
¿Me puedes ayudar?
Everyone needs help sometimes. Whether you're lost, confused, or just need directions, don't be afraid to ask, ¿Me puedes ayudar? Meaning, can you help me? Most people like to help if they can.
Puedes hablar inglés?
It's always good to try speaking Spanish, but sometimes you might need to use English. If you can't understand each other, ask, ¿Puedes hablar inglés? Meaning, can you speak English? This will help you communicate.
When it's time to go, say goodbye with adios, meaning goodbye.
You can use this anywhere.
For a more relaxed goodbye, say hasta luego, meaning see you later.
This means you'll see the person again soon.
If you'll see the person tomorrow, say hasta mañana, meaning see you tomorrow.
Use this when you know you'll see each other the next day.
Que tengas un buen día.
Be nice and wish someone a good day with que tengas un buen día. This shows you're kind and makes people remember you.
Qué bueno.
When you hear good news or something good happens, say que bueno, meaning that's great. This shows you're excited.
Que lástima.
When someone tells you sad news, say que lástima, meaning what a shame or too bad.
Me gusta.
Tell people what you like by saying me gusta, meaning I like it. Whether it's yummy food, a good song, or a pretty view, this shows you're enjoying it.
No me gusta.
It's important to say what you don't like too. If you don't like something, politely say no me gusta, meaning I don't like it. It's good to be honest, but also polite.
Practice these phrases with someone who speaks Spanish and with JCAB Tutoring to get better at saying them.
The more you use the language, the easier it will be.
Remember, everyone starts somewhere.
Enjoy learning and be proud of what you learn.
Start with the simple stuff and slowly learn more words.
Don't try to learn everything at once.
Learn these important phrases first, and you'll have a good start for learning more later.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
The more you practice, the better you'll get.
Learning a language takes time.
Enjoy the good and bad parts, and remember that mistakes help you learn. Congratulations on starting to learn Spanish. Remember, learning a language is a journey. Enjoy it, embrace the challenges, and be proud of what you achieve. Practice makes perfect. Buena suerte. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons and share this video with friends. Hasta luego. See you later.